Hey guys, I'm going to show you 3 really quick and easy Halloween looks that you can do. The first one being a zombie mouth, comic book girl, and then a scarecrow. Starting off with the open zombie mouth. To begin with, I start sketching out all the areas where I want the tears to be in the side of my face with a white face paint. You can also do this with a white eyeliner. Then I start to add in the teeth. These are just little rectangles that you pull down. They don't have to look perfect, just kind of follow these shapes that are shown and it will turn out pretty okay. I then go in with a red face paint around my teeth and on the outline again, because this is essentially your gums. I do end up dragging the red up a little bit for some reason. I think it's just to create more of a tear effect. Then with some black gel liner, I create the division between the teeth. It looks kind of harsh now, but you'll blend that out later. Then with a deeper shade of red, I start to add that in between the teeth and in some areas of the gum where I want to add in some depth. I then take a deeper red to just add on to that depth. As you can see, some of my teeth look like they have disappeared, so just grab that white face paint and retouch up that area. I then take some brown eyeshadow on a blending brush and start to do that around the whole outline of the mouth, just keeping a little bit of distance between the red and the actual shading to make sure that it pops out of my face. Just for a little touch, I add some bruising around my eye using some eyeshadow. I start off with red, I add in with a deeper blue on top of that, and then some yellow underneath my eye. I do this on the corners of my eyelid to really give it that bruised and sunken in effect. I popped in a contact lens to really pull the look together, and here you guys go. Now moving on to our comic book girl. I already did my foundation base off of camera. However, I took a black felt tip liner and I outlined that on certain areas of my skin where I saw crevices or contour line. Gave myself some really dramatic winged eyeliner. I then applied a really bright pink lipstick. And once again, more lines, this time following your cheekbone and then your jawline. I also added some lines on my neck and this little dip thing, I don't really know what you call it, but yeah. I then filled in my eyebrows completely black to really show the comic aspect. Then outlining my lips with the same black that you're using. Then with some white face paint, I added some highlights on my lip. Now you can stop here with this look, but I wanted to add something else, so I ended up adding a teardrop around my eye. I started off using black face paint and just sketching out where I wanted the teardrop to fall, then filling it in with blue face paint. You can also do this with eyeshadow. I then highlight the edges of the teardrop to create a 3-dimensional look to it. And now that you're expressing a different emotion, it means more lines. And here's the final look. Moving on to our scarecrow, I start off by painting a little orange thing on the tip of my nose. And then I start to contour the crap out of my face because we want to hollow out our face. I then give myself some orange lips. With a combination of orange and yellow eyeshadow, I start to add that in the blush area of my cheeks and just keep on intensifying that. I also blend in circular motions to ensure that the color only stays in this one part of my face. With the same color combination, I start to give myself some eyeshadow, following the crease with a light orange, and then deepening up that crease with a darker orange. I then start to messily apply black eyeshadow to my lid area and blend that out. Does not have to be perfect, the whole point of this is to be messy, so don't worry. As you can see, I got a little bit messy here. And then add the black to your lower lash line as well. I then start to outline the little nose piece with a felt tip liner, and then draw a line extending from the corners of my mouth upwards towards my cheekbone area. Then for simple little stitches, start drawing little X's following the line. For the nose, I just added little individual lines. I then outlined my mouth in black, and then the same thing as the nose, added little individual lines again. And there you guys go, here's the final look. I added in some contact lenses, but of course this step is optional. It looks just as good without contact lenses, but I just personally like contacts. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 quick and easy looks for Halloween. Don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe down below. Bye guys!